Friends, welcome to our channel GK Success Step by Step. This is the first video on World Bank series. It has 25 multiple choice questions. At the end of this video, you will have a summary of all these questions which will help you to recollect what you are learning through these MCQs. Now let us enter the video. Question number 1. Which is the biggest continent of the world? A. Africa, B. Asia, C. Europe, D. North America. The answer is B. Asia. Question number 2. Which is the smallest continent of the world? A. South America, B. Africa, C. Europe, D. Australia. The answer is D. Australia. Question number 3. Which of the following countries is the leading producer and exporter of natural rubber in the world? A. Indonesia, B. Thailand, C. Vietnam, D. India. The answer is B. Thailand. Question number 4. Which is the largest gulf in the world? A. Gulf of Mexico, B. Gulf of Mannar, C. Gulf of Cambay, D. Persian Gulf. The answer is A. Gulf of Mexico. Question number 5. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Amazon, B. Mississippi, C. Ganga, D. Nile. The answer is D. Nile. Question number 6. Where is the largest railway platform in the world? A. In America, B. In India, C. In China, D. In Russia. The answer is B. In India. Number 7. Currency of Japan is known as A. Dollar, B. Dinar, C. Rupee, D. Yen. The answer is D. Yen. Question number 8. Which is the largest peninsula in the world? A. The Indian Peninsula, B. The Arabian Peninsula, C. The Balkan Peninsula, D. The Scandinavian Peninsula. Answer B. The Arabian Peninsula. Question number 9. The Andes mountain range is in A. North America, B. South America, C. Asia, D. Africa. The answer is B. South America. Question number 10. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? A. The Himalayan mountains, B. The Andes mountains, C. The Alps mountains, D. The Karakoram mountains. Answer A. The Himalayan mountains. Question number 11. What is the new name of the country Rhodesia? A. Zaire, B. Zimbabwe, C. Namibia, D. Tanzania. The answer is B. Zimbabwe. Question number 12. Which country of the world is called as the playground of Europe? A. Switzerland, B. Sweden, C. Germany, D. France. Answer A. Switzerland. Question number 13. Which country is the largest exporter of coffee in the world? A. Vietnam. B. Cambodia. C. Brazil. D. Indonesia. The answer is C. Brazil. Question number 14. Which is the largest lake in the world? A. Victoria Lake. B. Michigan Lake. C. Caspian Sea. D. Lake Superior. Answer C. Caspian Sea. Question number 15. In which continent Lake Victoria is located? A. Africa. B. South America. C. Asia. D. North America. The answer is A. Africa. Question number 16. Which is the largest and most populated country in South America? A. Argentina. B. Brazil. C. Bolivia. D. Peru. The answer is B. Brazil. Question number 17. Which is the largest forest in the world? A. The Congo. B. The New Guinea rainforest. C. Valdivian temperate rainforest. D. The Amazon rainforest. Answer is D. The Amazon rainforest. Question number 18. Where is the Daintree rainforest? A. South America. B. Australia. C. Asia. D. Africa. The answer is B. Australia. Question number 19. Which plateau is known as the roof of the world? A. Tibetan Plateau. B. Colorado Plateau. C. Deccan Plateau. D. Kimberley Plateau. The answer is A. Bethen Plateau. Question number 20. Which is the biggest desert in the world? A. Antarctic Desert. B. Arctic Desert. C. Sahara Desert. D. Arabian Desert. The answer is A. Antarctic Desert. Question number 21. Where is Patagonian Desert? A. Argentina, South America. B. Australia. C. China. D. South Africa. The answer is A. Argentina, South America. Question number 22. Which is the highest waterfall in the world? A. Angel Falls. B. Yambilla Falls. C. Venufosen Falls. D. Brownie Falls. The answer is A. Angel Falls. Question number 23. In which country the Tugela Falls is located? A. Venezuela. B. South Africa. C. Peru. D. Norway. The answer is B. South Africa. Question number 24. Where is the world's biggest statue is located? A. USA. B. India. C. China. D. France. The answer is B. India. Question number 25. Which is the highest mountain peak in the world? A. Mount K2. B. Mount Kanchenjunga. C. Mount Makalu. D. Mount Everest. The answer is D. Mount Everest. Now we may recapitulate here what we have seen in the previous questions. Asia is the biggest continent and Australia is the smallest continent of the world. Thailand is the leading producer and exporter of natural rubber in the world. Gulf of Mexico is the largest gulf in the world. The River Nile is the longest river in the world. The world's largest railway platform is in India. Yen is the currency of Japan. The Arabian Peninsula is the largest peninsula in the world. The Andes mountain range is in South America. The Himalayan mountain is the tallest mountain in the world. The new name of the country Rhodesia is Zimbabwe. Switzerland is called the playground of Europe. Brazil is the largest exporter of coffee in the world. The Caspian Sea is the largest lake of the world. Lake Victoria is located in Africa. Brazil is the largest and most populated country in South America. The Amazon rainforest is the largest forest in the world. The Daintree rainforest is in Australia. The Tibetan Plateau is known as the roof of the world. Antarctic desert is the biggest desert in the world. Patagonian desert is in Argentina, South America. The Angel Falls is the highest waterfall in the world. The Tugela Falls is located in South Africa. The world's tallest statue is located in India, which is Statue of Unity. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world.